Welcome everyone, and hope you guys are doing good. So in this video today we will see how we can configure Outlook for Gmail account. Okay, so first of all I'll open my Gmail account. Gmail account is here, and you need to do certain procedure in order to make your Outlook account work, make your Outlook software work properly. Okay, so first of all we will go to settings, then click on see all settings. Just waiting for the system to load. Okay, got it here. Now what you have to do, you have to go to the section forwarding and pop-up or IMAP. Okay, click on this, scroll down. What you have to enable this IMAP. Okay, initially by default it will be disabled, so you have to enable this, enable IMAP. Okay, leave it and leave rest of the thing as it is. Click on save changes. Now once you are done here, then you need to go to your account, manage your account. Okay, so I'm just letting this here. Okay, then you have to go to the security section. As you can see here, security. Okay, so when you scroll down, you will see here this secure app access. So in order to work Outlook properly, they should be on. Okay, so until unless this feature is on, your Outlook won't be able to access data from your Gmail account. Okay, so I'll just click on here. So allow list secure apps, switch it on. Okay, now leave it as it is. Now I'll just open my Outlook software here. Now go to file, add account. So as a new window appears for adding a new account, you have to go to the section manual setup. Okay, click on next. Now what you have to choose here, POP or IMAP. Okay, then click on next. Your name. Okay, so I'll just put my name, channel name here, email address, this will be IMAP. Okay, the account type will be IMAP. Then you go to incoming mail server. Okay, so incoming mail server for IMAP will be imap.gmail.com. okay, and outgoing server, that is SMTP, that will be smtp.gmail.com. okay, so and the password here. You can go to more settings here, leave it as it is. Go to outgoing server, you have to check box this one. Okay, and use same settings. Go to advanced. Now the incoming server for IMAP will be 993. okay, and you use the following for encryption data. This one will be SSL. okay, this is for the security, SSL. The outgoing server, that SMTP, that will be 587, and this will use TLS protocol, again 587. okay, do not save, and then you have to hit OK. Click on next. Just waiting for the response. Okay, as you can see here, login to incoming mail server completed. So if you go by this procedure, that it will be very easy for you to configure your Outlook, else it will be very difficult. Okay, so first of all, as I close it, click on finish, connect. Now you see it will synchronize all the emails what I have in my Gmail account, as you can see here. Okay, I got all my emails here, and there will be a test email here from this Outlook, Microsoft Outlook test message. This was the email sent by the Outlook software in order to test the email. Okay, so make sure first of all you go to your Gmail account and you just go to the procedure. First of all will be enable your IMAP settings, and the second one is you have to switch on Less Secure app settings. Okay, and that's all for today guys. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and you will be updated for upcoming videos. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye bye.